Hello everybody, this is the clutch exercise. Again, this is one of the first exercises that you're going to do. It's a very simple exercise. Basically, it teaches you only one function, how to use the clutch. That is, as you press the clutch button, you can basically readjust the position of your hands to wherever you want in actual space. And that actually allows you to reach further. If you can see my right hand here, and kind of get all the marks and hit all the targets. It's a very, very simple exercise. It's a useful exercise, but it only teaches you how to do one thing, as opposed to being multidimensional like the first exercise, which is the C spikes. That's all for me. Thank you.